Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to discuss the topic finding zero of a polynomial from the chapter Polynomials. Number of zeros of a polynomial is based on its degree. For a linear polynomial, the degree is 1, so it has 1 zero. The degree of the quadratic polynomial is 2, so it has 2 zeros and so on. If the degree of a polynomial is 6, then it has how many zeros? Then the polynomial has 6 zeros. Let us check how to find zeros of a polynomial by some example questions. Question: find a zero of the polynomial p of x is equal to 2x plus 1. In the previous questions, values of the variables are given. We just checked it is a zero or not. But here, we have only the polynomial. We need to find zeros. Here, the polynomial p of x is equal to 2x plus 1 is a linear polynomial because its degree is 1. For a linear polynomial, we have only one zero. Zeros of a polynomial is also called as root of the polynomial. Let us check the solution. Given p of x is equal to 2x plus 1. Finding a zero of p of x is the same as solving the equation. That is, we need to equate p of x is equal to 0. So we know that p of x is equal to 2x plus 1. So 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. In your earlier classes, you have learned how to solve an equation. Here, 2x plus 1 is equal to 0 is an equation. Let us solve it. So the next step is 2x is equal to plus 1 will go to the opposite side of the equal to sign. That time it will become minus 1. Okay. 2x is equal to minus 1. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Why? Because here 2 is under multiplication. This 2 will come to the opposite side of the equal to sign. That time it will go to the division. So we got the value of x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 is a zero of the polynomial 2x plus 1. Second question. Find zero of the polynomial in each of the following cases. First question, p of x is equal to 3x. Second question, p of x is equal to 3x minus 2. Third question, p of x is equal to 2x plus 5. Here we have three linear polynomials. We need to find zero of the polynomials. Let us check the solution. First one, given p of x is equal to 3x. So we already discussed finding a zero of p of x is the same as solving the equation. So we need to equate p of x to 0. Children, why we are equating p of x to 0? Because if a number is a zero of the polynomial, then the value of the polynomial p of x should be equal to 0. So that we are equating p of x to 0. Okay. So here we have p of x is equal to 3x. We need to equate 3x to 0. 3x is equal to 0. Now we need to solve it. Okay. 3x is equal to 0. Then what is x? Then x is equal to 0 by 3. What is 0 by 3? 0 by 3 is equal to 0. So we got the value of the variable x is equal to 0. So 0 is the zero of the polynomial 3x. Okay. Next question. Given p of x is equal to 3x minus 2. So we already discussed, for getting the 0, we need to equate 3x minus 2 to 0. So 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now we need to solve it. 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So 3x is equal to minus 2 will go to the opposite side. That time it will become plus 2. Which implies x is equal to 2 by 3. So 0 of 3x minus 2 is 2 by 3. Third question. Given p of x is equal to 2x plus 5. So we already discussed the value of the variable x is the 0 of the polynomial. So for getting the 0 of the polynomial, first we need to equate the polynomial to 0. So here our polynomial is 2x plus 5. We need to equate 2x plus 5 to 0. Now we need to solve this equation. So the next step is 2x is equal to plus 5 will go to the opposite side. That time it will become minus 5. So here will come 0 minus 5. What is 0 minus 5? 0 minus 5 is minus 5. Therefore, x is equal to minus 5 by 2. Now we got the value of the variable x. So, minus 5 by 2 is the 0 of the polynomial 2x plus 5. So for a linear polynomial, the value of the variable is called the 0 of the polynomial. Thus, here minus 5 by 2 is the 0 of the polynomial 2x plus 5, or minus 5 by 2 is the root of the polynomial 2x plus 5. Here we have an important concept. Listen carefully. If minus 5 by 2 is the 0 of the polynomial 2x plus 5, then x plus 5 by 2 is the factor of the polynomial 2x plus 5. Children, did you notice the two concepts? One is 0 of the polynomial and another one is factor of the polynomial. Children, what is mean by factor? A factor is a number that divides into another number exactly and without leaving a remainder. So here, if you divide 2x plus 5 by x plus 5 by 2, you will get the remainder 0. We will discuss the division of polynomial later. Now I will explain you how to write the factor of a polynomial. So we have the polynomial 2x plus 5. So for writing the factor, first you need to write the variable available in the polynomial. So here the variable is x. So you need to write x first. Then 0. Here the 0 of the polynomial 2x plus 5 is minus 5 by 2. It is a negative rational number. So factor writing time you need to write the opposite sign of the 0. That is, you need to write plus 5 by 2. So together the factor is x plus 5 by 2. Do you have the doubt again why we took x plus 5 by 2? Because if we equate the factor x plus 5 by 2 to 0, then we will get the value of the variable. That is, x is equal to plus 5 by 2 will go to the opposite side of the equal to sign. Then it will become minus 5 by 2. Okay, if we took x plus 5 by 2 as a factor, then only we will get the value of the variable, that is 0 of the polynomial minus 5 by 2. Okay. Let us check one more example. In the second sub-question, we got 2 by 3 is the zero of 3x minus 2. So what is the factor of 3x minus 2? Already told you, for writing the factor, first you need to write the variable available in the polynomial. Here, which is the variable? Yes, x is the variable. So first you need to write the variable x. Then you need to check the zero of the polynomial. 2 by 3 is the zero of the polynomial. So here 2 by 3 is a positive rational number. So you need to take minus 2 by 3. Opposite of 2 by 3. What is the opposite sign of 2 by 3? Minus 2 by 3. So the factor of 3x minus 2 is equal to x minus 2 by 3. Okay. Now we discussed if the zeros are available means how to find the factor. Now reversely, if x plus 1 is a factor of any polynomial p of x, then its 0 is equal to, factor is given, we need to find the 0. So here the factor is x plus 1. So what is the 0? 0 is equal to minus 1. Okay children, we are winding up today's class. Today we discussed how to find 0 of a linear polynomial, and if the 0 is given, then how to write the factor. Reversely, if the factor is given, then how to find the 0. If you have any doubt, you can clear your doubts with me. Thank you.